So let's discuss the first type of partial fraction. So we have been given this fraction and we need to resolve it into its partial fractions. This is the first type, and basically what you'll do is, so you remember that we have this algebraic identity: x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. We'll apply the same logic over here in the denominator. X square minus 1, or x square minus 1 square, obviously, because any power of 1 will obviously give you 1 as a result. So x square minus 1 becomes x plus 1, x minus 1. Now what you'll do is, you'll write this particular result in this form: a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 1. Now obviously, to turn these partial fractions into one single fraction, you'll have to take the LCM of both partial fractions. So this entire fraction will be multiplied with x minus 1 over x minus 1, and this entire fraction will be multiplied with x plus 1 over x plus 1. So that'll give you this fraction as a result. Now the denominators are same, so we need to make the numerators equal to each other. So 1 is equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 1. Now what you'll do is, you need to basically eliminate one of the two variables, a and b. So let's just eliminate this a first. So how will you do that? Now look at this. Over here, the a is being multiplied with x minus 1. So you need to make this expression equal to 0. So how will you do that? Well, you'll put x minus 1 is equal to 0, and that will give you x is equal to 1. So you need to put in x is equal to 1. So when you do that, this a will be multiplied with 0 and b will be multiplied with x plus 1. So 1 plus 1. So b is equal to b into 2. 2b is equal to 1, and hence b is equal to 1 by 2. Now you need to eliminate the b term in the next part, so that you can find the value of a. How you'll do that? Well, as you know, b is being multiplied with x plus 1. So you'll do x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 1. And when you do that, b will be multiplied with this 0, minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. And a will be multiplied with minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2a is equal to 1, and a is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we have found the values for a and b. Once you put them in the equation, you'll get this. Obviously, this 2 and this 2, they will be multiplied with the respective denominators, and so you'll get this, and these are the required partial fractions.